Okay, here we are at 13350 Robson, Detroit. 2-family, up and down. Gonna show you the lower unit here that we just painted. Still got a little cleaning up to do. Just a couple things to get out, but it's been painted. So here we are, come into the living room. Fake fireplace here. Those are just fake logs. No electric, no nothing there, just the fireplace. Exercise bike if you're interested. Here is the dining room, that's ceramic tile. Nice big picture window here. New windows here. And you come through the dining room into the kitchen. Gas stove here. There is a refrigerator here. New countertop, cabinets, double sink. Come into the bathroom, vanity, toilet, tub, new tub surround. Bedroom number 1. Nice little backyard, fenced in, but good space for a barbecue. And bedroom number 2. This one's a little bigger, nice size to this one. And back out into the hallway, dining room, living room. And that's it for 13350 Robson lower unit.